Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant error message. Sorry, we're having trouble signing you in right now. First step, what I suggest to do here is to open a browser, and then you need to go to status.riotgames.com, select language, then scroll down, select the game, in this case is Valorant, then select your region, and then select your language, and then look if there is some error message related to signing in with Riot client or Valorant. If it is, you just need to wait. You cannot do anything about it. But if there isn't, I will show you what you need to do next. First step, what I suggest to do here is to go on search, and then you just need to write date and time settings. Then you need to just toggle off adjust set time automatically, and also set time zone automatically as well. And then you need to just change your date one day before. So in my case, it's now January 20th. I will change to January 19, right? And then apply the changes, change it. And after you change it, look, just run the game and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you just need to go to on search and write view network connections. Then find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, and then you need to wait for a couple of seconds and then look for Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, then open up CMD. Make sure to run as admin because commands will not work. And then you just need to write IP config space /flush DNS, and another command is nesh winsock reset. After you put these two commands, all you need to do here is to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.